What is up then, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can probably tell, I'm very happy. This has been something that we've been planning for a really long time, but I have been struggling to execute it. But it's done. It looks absolutely sick. Sorry, couldn't get my English out then. But yeah, I've had some really good feedback, and I think it's time that I show you guys. But just before we get started, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's supporting the channel. Like, you guys keep growing every day, and it is like it makes me buzzing to see, like, when you guys comment and everything. It just makes me like that, motivates me to make more content, really. So yeah, that's it for now. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, because obviously, you know, support the boys. But yeah, onto the products. Okay then, guys, so you know what this is. This is a cam cover of a 2004 Ford Fiesta Mark 6. So it's 2004 to 2008. The 1.25, the 1.4 and the 1.6 are all exactly the same, so they all fit bish for bash. And also the same for Ford Focuses as well. So I know Ford Focuses around the same year also share the same cam cover on their naturally aspirated models. I don't know about TDIs, which I'm guessing it probably doesn't. Also the same for some Volvos as well. So I know there's some Volvos out there that people use the spark plug covers off, and I know that they just bolt on into the OEM places on this. So I'm guessing the Volvo cam cover is pretty similar to this, if not the bolt pattern is. But yeah, so onto this. All of the good car parts go to the Ford Fiesta ST150, and it's not fair. So I've tried to bridge this market because I want my car to look good, but like, this is off my car, and you can see just under the engine bay, it just gets cluttered in grime. You can't keep everything clean. It's always dirty. You'll always get bits of oil in there that you've never wanted, or you don't know where they came from. So I've tried to sort this out, and this is when I'll come in with my product. So yeah, let's do it. And the grand reveal, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. So here we have the MK Attack cam covers, and yes, that's what I'm going to be calling them. This is like I've done merchandise in the past, but I've never done my own car parts. So this is the first ever product I have had mass produced. I have been asked to do one now for a K20A, which I think that's a bit of a bigger market, to be fair. So that will definitely be one thing that I'll be looking on in the future, especially if these do well. So yeah, we've got that brushed aluminium. Beautiful. It's also got the holographic sticker on there, which is just a rarity. I'll probably chuck a couple of those in with the first couple of packages, but it will be coming with one of these. But yeah, I am all, like, if you watch my videos, you know I'm all about making your car lighter and losing weight, not adding it. But these weigh literally the weight of a toenail, so it's not even countable. Like, I wouldn't even add it onto the weight of the car. So yeah, we've also got the gusset one. So here we have a close look at this. If you don't like gussets, I'm very sorry, but there is probably something wrong with you, because I think everybody likes gussets. So yeah, I was going to go with 5 holes originally, which can still be done if somebody wants that specifically, because like I said, all the cutting's done in-house. But I thought the 4 holes on there, 4 holes on there, just keep it like that, and I think that's the way it worked out fine, and I think it looks spot on. So yeah, this is for the person who just wants to flex. Like, it's going to look sick on your car. I'll chuck some photos of what it looks like on a car in now. But yeah, this is just for flex. That's for functionality. Like, I've always wanted to be able to, like, cut holes in my bonnets, like put vents on that aren't meant to be there, but I always have that anxiety of knowing that if any water gets in, then I'm probably buggered, because I have the littlest knowledge to automotive electrics, and I know that they are very expensive to sort out. So yeah, this person is just going to, like, slap this on, and we're going to be able to cut, like, the whole of their bonnet out. We're not worrying about anything happening to the spark plugs or water getting into the cam cover. So yeah, that's the one for that. This one's just for flexing. So yeah, I don't want to keep talking, but this is like, it's boiling my juices. Like, I love it. Like, if you guys knew how much work has gone into these, then you probably understand. But as you don't, I'll just show you what it looks like and shut up. Okay, so here we have our cam cover, and here we have our cam covers cover, or spark plug cover. Slips right on there. Push it over. No nudging. Everything's fitting there fine. Holes align absolutely beautifully. Look at that. Push it up a bit. And yeah, that's what your car will look like from the outside. You can tell your friends that you've got a K20, you put some K20 stickers on there, they'll never know, you know what I mean? You do that, you've done that K swap now, it's done officially. You've not had any brake horsepower, but you do look sick. So yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, if you wanted to paint these, like I said, I don't know if I've said this already, but you can just go over it with some high fill paint. Like the aluminium brushing isn't deep engraved into the metal, so you wouldn't have to worry about it showing through the paint. So you just put a bit of primer over it and you can paint straight over it and it will be spot on. Do whatever colour you want. I am tempted to do one of these in black just to have like a bit of stealth, and I also want one in red as well, which I think would look good as well. So yeah, that's the main cover one on, and onto the one with gussets. Oh, mate, come on. ST1 what? Mate, this is all about the 1.6 now, boys. 1.25s and your 1.4s. Boys, this is your time to flex, man. This, yeah, this is absolutely sick. I'm not even blowing my own trumpet. I was gonna have to get Corny to come down today because I was thinking like he's gonna have to like come and big me up, because I don't want to sound like a proper melancholic knob when I'm trying to like big up my product. But just seeing these and how much time and effort's gone into these, if I went to a car show and I saw someone's bonnet open and I saw this, I'd be like, yo, your boy's got some money. And I've been going on to websites just to see like who my competition is really, and they don't do anything for the Ford. Like, this is all Honda stuff. And just for a cam cover, you're starting at around £55, going up to 170 something pound, just for stainless steel. And it's not even like laser cut, it's just cut into like shape. There's no gussets in there, no engraving, just like their logo, and then that's it. Whereas I'm going to be doing this in-house, gussets, stickers. Bro, if you've ordered from me, you know you come with the Haribos as well. So I look after you, I try to, man, because that's what I like. When I buy off people who are local small businesses, they always support me, so I always like to give that back to them. So hopefully you guys can reciprocate that, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. But yeah, this is absolutely spot on. It will come with all of your hardware, which is literally just an M8 bolt. I'm just using these little hex bolts. But if you wanted to get some like, what's it called, Japan Racing? Not Japan Racing, what are they called? Password JTM, you know, the dress up washers and things like that. If you wanted to get them on there, that would all work out spot on as well. And that would be quite interesting to see. I was going to try and get some wholesale, but I didn't realise how much dress up hardware was. So that might be something that we might do in the future. Might get some made in China, you know, get those wholesale discounts. But as you can see, it's not bolted down completely. All of the holes line up, everything's bolting down. I am extremely proud. I've probably said it for about 10 times in this video, but this is sick. This is sick. This is sick. Everything is so tidy. So yeah, if you guys want to get one of these, I don't think I'm going to put them on eBay just yet, because eBay are absolutely rinsing me. Because when I put things on eBay, they take a charge for like a seller's fee, and then when PayPal get it, they take the PayPal fee as well. And on top of that, I've been doing mostly for charity as well. So at the end of the month, I get like a nice bill, and I'm like, okay, I made a fair bit off merchandise today. And then they take back what's theirs, and it's like, was it really worth it, you know? But yeah, selling these privately, get in touch with me. I'll leave my information down in the description. Hopefully you guys really enjoy these. I was going to give one away for free, and I have messaged that person to see if they want one. But unfortunately, they don't own a Ford Fiesta. They just support the channel, which is good. But yeah, I'll probably do a giveaway one day in the future, just see how these go first away, because there's a lot of effort into these. But just to make this clear, this one is cheaper than the one with the gussets. This has a set price. The ones with the gussets are a bit more, because that's all hand done, and it might take a little bit longer just to get sent out, because I don't want to rush it just to scratch it all up. So hopefully you guys understand that. Hopefully you guys really enjoy these. I can't wait just to get your guys' feedback. Hopefully I haven't talked too much, because I know in my head I'm like that. I'm like, stop talking, Mark. You're probably pissing them off now. But if you hopefully you guys understand that this is my first ever car part, and I'm absolutely excited. So hopefully you guys are excited as well. But yeah, enough talking. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. A lot of talking. Sorry again. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.